For your left thumb, yeah, put it over there. So with your right thumb, I'm going to show you combat grip. Put this thumb off. Now put your palm here. And then, nope, this thumb stays off. Heavy weapon, but right foot back, left foot forward, and then just lean into it. Bend at the waist, bend your knee, and lean into it. Now when you're ready, find that green dot between those two, green in the rear, and make it level. Lock on each free target. A little. At least you hit the target. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Look it up and come back. So safety.
Right there, yeah. First time I got it right there, but I did pretty good. What you got? What's it? Oh, you did it all in one area. You did it all like in the 7.
I need to get better at you.
Yeah, it's all like in the 7 a little bit. In between the 7 and the 8, you gotta go. Oh, you got 8s. 1, 2, 8. Look. 6, 7 to 8. You're doing better. Yeah, you're doing better.